Thank you, Jason. Thank you, Zeke. You know, that Hindenburg omen that we were talking about that, a lot of pros are worried about and whatever. Nobody knows. The only way to protect yourself, don't average in. That's why I keep saying don't average in, especially longs, because we've come a long way. Um, Zeke, thank you for that post. CNBC. For those of you who are trading the short side, a reminder, we've gone from low to high making these contras. In that specific bar that, Zeke has identified, we've got to break this 83 to get any posture whatsoever. There are two reasons for that. First of all these traders have been up. And until we take them out, don't forget it's Monday. Till we take them out, they're still in the catbird seat saying, come on, show me what you got. Shorts, on the other hand, are saying, what are you talking about? Well, we stalled you here. We stopped you on Friday. We made a new low, and now we've made a lower high. So the jury's out. We don't know. I said to you early today that we're going to be, coming through this 84 magnet is going to get revisited a number of times. This is a big area, 84, 86, big fighting zone. And so far it's two girls, pushing and shoving each other and, no real damage. So you have to be willing to re-enter if you like the short side, especially for, a significant low. You have to be willing to get up off the mat, especially if you said, I'm just going to hold because you guys aren't taking me out. You've got to endure a drawdown. That's not typically the way we play. You do that over and over, hoping for a crash every day, you're going to get beat. That's not going to work every day. It's not going to work often at all. So you have to be willing to try to identify where you think reasonable resistance will come in and then re-enter. Based on the 5-minute chart, we said probably a good likelihood that this 89 zone would be good resistance. Zeke showed you why he'd liked 88 and a quarter. Absolutely perfect. So all we know is we're range trading, trying to resolve the day's range. 456 in play, coming backwards. This 82 zone, very important, obviously. That's going to be the middle. And this is also referencing that 82.5 low from Friday. You got to take out the previous day's low before you can get backwards and get more. So we said after 11 o'clock might be a better time for short. So far that's proven to be true. And anybody that's come back in with a short side trade, hoping for more in the way of give back from the longs, these are peel out targets. And if you believe in a bigger move, then you don't peel out. You're actually going to add in. That depends on how big you are and how you want to play. We picked the right resistance zone early today. So normally, on a day like today, I'm thinking pretty neutral. I'm not thinking crash. I am thinking that the shorts are in control as long as we're under 89, as long as we're under 92. So is this a good test here? Absolutely. Is this conclusive? In no way. So we had proposed playing hit and run day. It's state of burn. It's Monday. JV team's still on the field from Friday. The boys are saying, hey, sun's still out. I'll be back tomorrow. And we've seen a propensity for some of the moves to happen Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and not too bad. We've only had a 13-point range. So we're testing yet again Friday's low. That's all we know. Don't make it any more challenging than that. The business is hard enough. And we said probably two-way day. Longs have definitely shown their mettle. but it's still until we get back and above that 97 and get back to 92, 93 area, still inconclusive. So read these kinds of articles that, Zeke puts out there in front of you, but, don't hang your hat on it that's got to be true. You just want to keep your mind open to possibilities. And remember, Kevin Haggerty had talked about this as a high odds time that we're coming into. We've been repeating that over and over that, I don't ignore a guy like that. The guy's just a professional trader who knows what he's talking about. It'll take you a year to figure out what he's talking about if you've never seen him before. But he's talked about this forever. At a very high odds time in price into August. Well, we're in August. Will he be exactly right? Who knows? Do I want to at least listen to his thesis? Absolutely. And then we'll take it step by step. Okay, this is our current demon right there, 87.25. Notice how they knock out the other one early and then reset a new one just above it. It takes time for that to settle out, and then we come back in, and finally we're starting to show that there is a big boy in this trade to push back.